Segway SE3 Patroller. Segway SE3 Patroller is designed for missions that require a large vehicle like for police or security service. The rider can easily step in and out of the vehicle during patrolling. A highly intense LED headlight ensures its obvious presence with or without a rider. It is an eco-friendly vehicle supported by a lithium-ion battery that gives a top speed of 25 km per hour. SE3 is extremely reliable. It can fit easily anywhere and can also be charged anywhere. An integrated side storage with a lockable glove box allows plenty of space to store required things. Independent rear wheel drive enhances ride over all terrains. The base price of Segway SE3 Patroller is around $11,999. Karmic Oslo. Karmic Oslo is an electric bicycle and the future of personal mobility. The design of Oslo seems like it is designed by Apple with only 20 kg weight. Its alloy wheels and pneumatic tires can pass bumps and potholes with stability. The swappable lithium-ion battery gives a range of 70 kilometers. The pedaling is assisted by a 250-watt electric motor giving a top speed of 32 km per hour. Other features include a kickstand, plastic fenders, wraparound tail light, integrated headlight, and an LCD. The approximate price of Karmic Oslo is $1,499. Mando Footloose. Do you know about the world's first chainless e-bike? Mando Footloose. It is a combination of simple design with smart advanced technology. It can automatically change the gear by using inbuilt sensors to detect slopes and can climb up to 21% effortlessly. It features a 36-volt lithium-ion battery that gives a maximum range of 45 kilometers. The rider can choose pedal or throttle mode and attain a top speed of 25 kilometers per hour. The chainless bike can be effortlessly folded to its half size, rolled, and can be easily stored anywhere when not in use. The expected starting price of Mando Footloose is $3,000. THATCH. THATCH is a self-balancing unicycle or one-wheeled bike. Its design consists of one 19-inch motorcycle wheel that helps in balancing. This unicycle can be easily ridden indoors and outdoors with stability. The foldable seat can be extended to easily roll it when not in use. The inbuilt sensors detect the body movement and surroundings and accordingly take turns as required. It is powered by a 450-watt geared motor and 24-volt batteries that give a top speed of 15 miles per hour. THATCH can be easily driven on sandy surfaces with stability and safety. Its slim design can easily fit through narrow spaces. The Sperm Bike. You might have come across many bikes that are used for advertising various brands. But do you know about a bike designed to increase awareness of the need for sperm donors? This bike is not only used to spread awareness but also to transport sperm samples across the town. The Sperm Bike has a giant sperm with an inbuilt cooling compartment on its head, and this inbuilt cooling compartment has a capacity of 120 pounds and is used to store the donated sperm in a metal container to be kept cold at -320 degrees Fahrenheit. At a time, this giant container can store 25 to 30 samples. The pedaling gives a top speed of 20 miles per hour. So I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Comment below which bike you like the most and stay tuned for many such videos. Thank you.